Hi, today we're playing a really fun game. It's called Bears in a Cave. So you need your bears, and you need a bowl, and you need to bring your imagination. We're going to pretend that these bowls are caves for our bears. So we're going to work with recording our numbers on our number bond sheets like we've done before. But let me show you how we're going to get our combinations today. So the first step is to decide what number you're going to work with first. And we'll do this number for the first 3 number bonds. Okay, you want to pick a number that's just right for you. If it could be 6, might be your just right number. Or your just right number might be 10. Just right number might be 7. Whatever your just right number is, you're going to pick that many bears to make combinations with to start with. And then you'll pick another number and another number and another number. Okay, or if you want to do the same number 6 times, you can do the same number more times, okay? But I just want you to have a number that feels just right, not too big, not too small. Okay, I'm going to do 8. So I've already counted out my 8 bears. I'll count again just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 bears. Oh, they're so cute. I just love these little bears. Here's my cave. Now, here's what I'm going to do. Some of my bears are going to be hidden inside the cave, and some of my bears are going to be outside of the cave. So let's put some inside the cave and some outside the cave. There we go. So I have, the first thing that I can do is I can record my whole number here. What was my big number? Do you remember how many I counted out that I had? It was 8. So I had 8 to start with, so I'm going to put an 8 there. Okay, so that was my 8. Now I can see how many of my bears are outside. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 bears outside of the cave. So I'm going to put a 4 right here. If you want to, you can try and guess how many bears are inside the cave. Like if I have 4 bears outside of the cave, how many are inside the cave? 4 and what make 8? So you can try and think about that if you can. 4 and what make 8? Okay, then I'm going to look under my cave, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bears in the cave. So then I'm going to put 4 here. Okay, now for your next one, you can decide if you want to do 8 again, or pick another number. I'm going to do 8 a few times in a row. And I'm going to make it different from this one. So this time I'm going to have 2 bears outside of my cave. So 1, 2, and I'll record my 2. 2 and what go together to make 8? How many bears are in my cave? Let's look and see. 2 and... Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bears inside my cave. And I'm going to record that right here. 2 and 6 make 8. And then I might even do one more with 8. And then I'd pick a different number. Okay? So, here's what you're doing. You're going to get a particular number of bears. Decide how many bears you want. Get that many bears. Then you're going to put some in the cave and some out of the cave and record that combination on your paper. Okay, so the whole goes here, and then outside of the cave, inside of the cave, outside of the cave, inside of the cave. Okay? So, and then when you're done, remember how I encourage you to always read these? So I would say 4 and 4 make 8. 2 and 6 make 8. That just strengthens that pathway in our brain. Okay, so go ahead. Have tons of fun with your cute little bears. They're so adorable. Okay, I'm going to keep going with mine. I'm going to do my next row. And then you go ahead and get started with yours. How many bears will you choose to start out with? How many will be in the cave? How many will be out?